If you have been finding it difficult to get higher resolution or 4K video footage for free for your next video editing project or your video marketing project, so in this video, I'm going to give you 5 powerful websites which you guys can use to get high quality 4K free video footage all for free. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end and see all the powerful 5 websites that you guys can use to get free high quality, higher resolution video footage for your video editing project or for your video marketing online project. Okay, so with that being said, so let's start the tutorial and see some of the powerful websites that you guys can use to get free footage video in higher resolution or 4K for free. But before I get to this tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, please so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. Turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about free online resource, you get notified, you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, don't forget to turn on the notification bell and put down the question in the comment section down below if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see the first website that you guys can use to get free footage, higher quality video for your next video editing project. So the very first one I have for you guys here is cover.co. So you can see the website you have right here. So when you log into the site, this site is going to look like. And then one very good thing about this site is that you can navigate by keywords such as nature, people, love and relationship, business and work, fitness, lifestyle and wellness, videography, pet animals, Zoom, etc. Now, let's for instance, you are interested in fitness video footage. All you have to do is to click on fitness, or you make use of search bar right here and type in whatever video footage you are looking for. So when you click on the video footage you are looking for, you can see it's going to load up. So it has started preparing stock video footage for fitness. So let's see what we have on this site as far as fitness video footage is concerned. So right here, if you have something like this, you have to scroll down. These are free video footage for fitness business. So you can scroll down and see more and more as far as this website is concerned. Let's for instance, you are interested in this particular one right here. All you have to do is to click on this icon to download it straight up. But before that, you can click on the video and check the preview of the quality of the video and select the quality you would like to download. So right here you can see it is a free 100% free download. So you can see it right here. So it is a video footage. So for you to download in higher resolution, all you have to do is to click on this drop down here and make sure you choose 4K, which is higher resolution, and then immediately you select the file format you want. It start to download high quality video footage that you guys can use all for free for your next video editing project. So this is the first one I have for you guys as far as free 4K video footage is website is concerned. So the next website I have for you guys right here. So let me quickly close on that. So the next website I have for you guys here is fitfo.net. Now, this site also offers a great free stock footage videos. So when you get to the site, all you have to do is to scroll down and then you see a lot of free stock video, and also you can as well get free stock audio on this particular website. So you can pick on any one of the templates that you would like to download. You can browse by the newest video. So you click on newest video to see what are the newest video on this particular website. Then from there, you can download anyone that's related to your site. And also, you can also make use of search bar on this site and look for the right video for your next project. Okay, so guys, you can see the newest videos right here. So if this is not exactly what you are looking for, so you can see free royalty music and sound effects. You can also get it on this particular website. So if you don't have all this one is not what you are actually looking for, you can explore by come to the top right here and click on video and then choose footage. So when you choose footage, you'll be able to see all the video footage that you can use on this particular site. Then from there, you can search by your keywords or stuff like that. So you can see they have about 500 and something thousand video clips all for free. Okay, one good thing you can do right here is that you can filter the result. So when you click on the filter the results, you can filter by keyword, filter by resolution, and filter by industry, as the case may be. So when you click on filter, then you'll be able to see which one. So you can easily navigate here and filter, just remove all premium clips. Then you'll be able to see only free footage. Then you can decide to choose type of resolution video that you are looking for. Is it 720 pixels or 1080 by 1080 pixels or 4K pixels? You can choose on any of the options right here, or you leave it in any resolution of your choice, and then you can scroll down and so you can scroll down and see more way by which you guys can use to filter this particular. Then you can also select by license size, royalty free, any license size. So just select royalty free because you are looking for free video footage. So select royalty free. So they are going to, you can see each time you are trying to select what each time you are trying to filter, you are going to see the result of the search result is going to reduce drastically. You can see from 500,000 plus to 55,000 plus. So that is that. So you can see right here that we are left with 13,000 plus video clip in this resolution under the free royalty stock footage. So right here you can also search or filter by category. So are you looking for agriculture videos, animals, business, cities, culture, education, elements, and abstract, etc.? You can filter by food, family. So let's, for instance, you filter by food. So you will only be presented with free footage, higher resolution video for foods. Okay. So right here you can see these are all free video footage for foods. So you can see it right here. You can download any one of your choice as far as this website is concerned. So you can explore more as far as this site is concerned. This is what I have for you guys as far as free, 100% free stock footage for video is concerned. So let's take a look at the third website I have for you guys. So the third one here is pixabay.com. Pixabay.com is a very popular site that offers a great thousands of free stock video, stock photo, etc. So when you launch it to the site, all you have to do is to click on this image right here and then just scroll down and look for videos. So right here, you search by videos. So you can see right here that we are stunning free stock video footage and clips. Okay. So what you have to do right now is to scroll down and see some of the free clip. So right here, these are all free stock footage that you guys can download all for free and use it for your project or whatever you want to do. It is 100% free. So this is what I have for you guys as far as Pixabay is concerned. So let's take a look at the fourth website I have for you guys here is pixel.com. So when you open up the site, you have to navigate to videos. So when you navigate to videos, you're going to see a lot of free stock footage that you guys can use for your next design. Your next video editing project or for your marketing video project. Okay. All right. So you can easily scroll down and you can scroll down. You can see all these are free video that you guys can use. So you can scroll down and see more and more and more. It provide a lot of free stock video footage that you can use in 4K resolution. So the very last one I have for you guys right here is misskit.co. Right here, free asset for your next video project. So you can see it here, 100% free as far as this site is concerned. All you have to do when you launch it to the site, you can easily scroll down and see by nature, by people, technology, etc. You can browse by any of the category, or better still, you can easily come to the top right here and click on stock videos. So when you click on stock videos, you'll be able to see all the videos in the category. Then from there, you can choose any one you are looking for. Okay. So right here, you can search by backgrounds, Thanksgiving, Christmas, Fatica, nature, lifestyle. You can see a lot under the lifestyle. I mean, under the nature, there are a lot. Under the lifestyle, there are a lot as well. And under the animals, there are different type of video. You can get dogs video, birds video, wildlife, safari, eating, and etc. Under the food video, you can get drinks, tea, restaurant, go stay, eating, vegetable, etc. And the transportation, you can get footage video, city, road, and airplane, bicycle, and traffic truck, etc. So this is all I have for you guys as far as 5 powerful websites for you guys to get free stock video footage for your next video editing project or for your marketing, online marketing projects. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also please and please don't forget to share this video to your loved one that might have interest to have idea of where they can get free stock video footage for their editing project. Thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.